holiday specialist, and one is Easy Move, which is a wheelchair taxi companies. What we've done here is we've tried to create a partnership where we can bring complete end-to-end accessibility in India. And a lot of thought has gone into this, and we chose Goa specifically for primarily the reason being that it's India's premier holiday destination company. It also has a lot of infrastructure already which is accessible. Yeah, we get a lot of inquiries, people coming from abroad wanting to come into Goa, but I have absolutely no idea about what kind of services or facilities they would get here. So that's where Enable Travel and Easy Move came together, or in fact are coming together, to start and begin a complete end-to-end accessible travel experience, not only for people coming from abroad, but also for the Indian domestic market. When I mean accessible travel, it's not only people who are differently abled, but there are also a lot of elderly people who want to travel on their own and independently. Now, to travel independently, you need a lot of logistics. And to get ready-made logistics, you need somebody to start this in a country like ours.
It's really lovely to see you, and I hope I can meet you all too once we finish with, all our introductions, etc. Bennett and Easy Move and I go back far longer by a year than Enable Travel, because I returned from the UK in 2010, and I read about Bennett in 2015. I read that there is an organization such as Easy Move, launching accessible travel transport. And that was something that I've always, thought about ever since I've come back, because in the UK, you just call up a certain number and then you have a taxi in which you can drive, right into, and then they take you wherever. So you don't have to get in and out of cars or anything. You just sit in your chair and you're away. So when I read about Easy Move, I rang Bennett up and I said, I'm so happy to hear about, this kind of movement happening in the disabled sector. And this was towards the end of 2015. 2016, around April, I was approached by Enable Travel, asking me whether I'd like to join a very exciting, launch that they are having. I had no idea what it was, but I just said yes, because travel and I go together. I love traveling. And well, here I am today, 2 years down the line, and it's been awesome, to be able to be present here to not only represent my company, because I'm very proud of being an Enable Travel expert and everything else, because I've been given opportunity to tap into a lot of the things that I'm capable of doing, and I have my boss Devlin Sen to thank for that.
Today in Goa, there are persons with disability who are educated, they are employed, they are self-reliant, they are role models. But they are not able to move about in society or contribute to society due to inaccessible infrastructure or inaccessible transportation. Over the years, we have been working to make infrastructure in Goa accessible. And I'm very happy today that we are having an accessible transport system also in Goa. For the last 2 or 3 years, we have been wanting to have accessible transportation, because without transportation, a person cannot go anywhere. So we are very happy that Easy Move Solutions as well as Enable Travel have come to Goa to provide accessibility solutions to persons with disability in Goa.